In this video, we will do match and move animation effect in Canva. So let's start. Open a blank video page, click on elements. In the search box, click on shapes. Select the square shape, rotate it, increase its size like this. Duplicate this shape and place it on the other part. Change its color to black. Go to colors and select black color. Let's place these like this. Now giving some space in between, place these shapes like this. Now go to elements and in the search box search for flower yard. Now let's select this image. Right click and set image as background. Or bring these shapes close to each other. Now duplicate the page. Now place these shapes like this. Now duplicate this page and move it to the end. Now click on page transition. Select match and move. Increase duration and apply between all pages. Now when you run, it will work like this. So I hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.